In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Ajax Live Search in your project. It's a search form that, like Google autocomplete feature, displays the result as you type. For example, if I start typing BE, it shows me all the results starting with BE. The good thing about this search form is that it's got pagination. It's a server-side pagination, so you can go through the result. The other thing is that it's got arrow key navigation. Using arrow keys, you can navigate through the items and you can select a result by hitting enter. The other thing is that it's responsive. If you resize the browser, the width is changed based on the screen size. Ajax Live Search is totally free. You can use it on your personal or commercial project. It's under MIT license, meaning that you can use it for free, but obviously I don't provide any warranty. So now I'm going to show you how to integrate this web component in your project. But before that, let's have a look into the dummy database that I've created. This is the name of the database and this is the name of the table. The table has got different fields like first name, last name, country, etc. So this search form, it reads from this table. From this table, and actually it looks for first name, but you can change it to search in last name. So obviously I'm going to delete this database after recording this video. Now I'm going to show you how to install that. You can download this, you can download the files from GitHub from here. This is the address, github.com, Iranian Pep, Ajax Live Search, or you can just use this button to download the files. So I'm going to download master file, and I just need to unpack that. So as you can see, it's got some folders inside the master file. I'm going to follow the instructions mentioned here. In order to demo, I've created a dummy project, assuming this is your project in this path, demo video, and you can see the file here as well. This is the code of that page. As you can see, this is a straightforward HTML page. And this is the path for that dummy project that I've created, demo video. And this is index.php that I've got here. So it's a straightforward. So first I need to upload the required folders on the server. So I just select them. I don't need these files. Drag, drop. While it's uploading, I'm going to explain more about other features of Ajax Live Search. It's cross-browser compatible, meaning that you can use that even in Internet Explorer 8. I've talked about responsive design. It's secure against different types of attack like SQL injection, CSRF, and etc. And hopefully it's uploaded. Yes. The first thing that I need to do is to go to master file inside the index.php. I need to copy this div ls container. You can change it later if you want. I just copy and on the server, I just paste it. Now you need to copy all the links to CSS files as well, and then I paste them just before head closing tag. And don't forget to copy Google font as well. You can change it if you want. And also copy the required JavaScript files. This is jQuery file. If you've already got this file, you don't need to copy that in your project. So just before body closing tag, I paste them. The last thing that I need to copy is PHP files. Those files that include handler.php and config.php. For debugging purposes, you can uncomment these two lines, but at production stage, you don't need them. So you can comment them. So I'm going to save this, and let's get back here. I've done the second step and third one. You just need to open config.php in class folder here. Here. And you can enter the database information in this file. Here we go. In my case, the host is localhost, database is Ajax live. To be deleted, it's the same as the password. The username is Ajax live to be del, and the name of the table is to be deleted. So you can see all the information here. To be deleted, it's the name of this table, and this is the name of database, and I've already set username and password for this database. Now I want to change search column from first name to last name, just to see what's going to happen. Now I save this file, and let's go back to step 4. You shouldn't be worried about these settings. You can leave them as default. So now you just need to update script.js or script.min.js. This is the minified version of script.js. So in JS folder here, I just open a script.js quickly. So here, these are different parameters for JavaScript. You can leave them, but the only thing is that you just need to update the URL that process the request. In this case, if I delete this, it reads from, let's save it. It reads from here, Ajax folder and process live search.php. It's the same as here. So I've done step 4, and the other thing is that currently the index.php includes minified version. Because I changed the script.js, I needed to include this file, but you can apply the changes, and you can minify the script.js again, and then you can include the minified version. So I just saved that. The last part is to update process live search as well. Here, view, and in my case I don't need to update that because I'm sending the request from this domain, but in your case you should update that. So pretty much I've done everything. Let's go back to this dummy project. I just refresh that and you can see the search form here. So if I search, for example, for Arnold as a last name, it shows me the result, as you can see. So, or let's look at another one, for example, Cole. If I search for Cole, it shows me all the result for Cole, and as you see, it's responsive and it's got pagination as well. In order to debug, if you're using a Chrome browser, you can inspect element, and here network, you can see the request that is sent. For example, as you can see, this is the request is sent to Ajax process live search, and this is the response, all the JSON response. So thanks for watching this video. Like I said, you can contribute to this project if you want. You can use that. You can use this search form in your project for free.